model, 2012 Ford Transit 2.2 TDCI-125 PS 350 Luton box van tail lift engine knocking. Body, white, Luton box. Mileage, 290850. MOT, the 25th of April 2025. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2125 PS TDCI-G. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, runs with a nog. Bottom end bearings are knocking. The engine will need repairing or replacing. Definitely worth doing. Nice clean Luton box van, check engine light on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401119973.